Good morning, everybody. My name is Corey Norris, and I'd like to thank you for checking out my channel. This is going to be a real quick Infinity Processing System review. I'm going to take a quick back office tour, and then go over how you can get started with Infinity Processing System, and if this is something for you. First, I want to start with giving May Lee Jones a big congratulations on making a $300 commission. She writes, a $300 commission came through while sightseeing, all thanks to this amazing program. If you're still unsure about joining, don't hesitate. Reach out to the person who invited you. Remember, nothing happens if you don't take the first step to getting started. Let's go. So big congratulations to you, May Lee, for making your $300 commission. What this is a cash flow member-to-member affiliate marketing opportunity. This is in the educational e-learning space. It teaches you attraction marketing, so that way you can attract the perfect clients to you with pre-written ads that work. I have other videos. Go to my channel. You can check out those videos on seeing these ads in action, and they really work by posting the pre-written ads. And as you can see, people are getting results with posting the pre-written ads on social media. They're going to teach you how to set up your business for success, set up your Facebook page, how to set up a web page. They're going to teach you how to brand yourself through social media, so this way you can start making those $300 commissions directly to you, however you see fit to get paid, through whatever payment processor you see fit to get paid through. Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, Bitcoin, PayPal. You're able to use up to 3 payment processors on here. What they give you with the Infinity Processing System, they give you your own branded website, so that way if you're not tech savvy and you don't know how to set up a website, they have a website set up for you. And with this educational course, it also comes with resellers rights. What that means, you have the reseller rights to be able to sell this opportunity in the e-learning space with the 3 digital products that it comes with to other people, to get them started with the at-home based business. Now, this course was put together by a 6-figure marketer who's put all her knowledge and skill into that she's learned over the past 6 years in marketing into the system, to teach you her exact strategies that she uses to attract clients to her promotional offers and every other programs that she shared. When you join with the Infinity Processing System, they're going to give you your own branded page, just like this one here. And it comes with a 8-minute video, explains the whole routine, how everything works, and what you can expect when it comes to Infinity Processing System. How does it work? You'll get started, you'll join one of the levels and get access to your product and your step-by-step digital training. We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. Start collecting 100% daily commission straight to your account. 100%, it means that you make 100% of the profit when somebody joins you at one of the 3 product levels. You're not waiting 2 weeks to be paid out. You're not waiting a month to be paid out. It's direct member-to-member sale. So once someone pays you and joins the group, you have direct access to that funds that same day. That's one of the good things about this program, is the direct sales. It's a one-time payment, no monthly fees whatsoever. So you'll pay the one-time payment for the digital product. You'll pay I think it's $25 to $39 admin fee to get your website set up, branded website set up, and so that you can have the reseller rights to be able to resell the product over and over again. And real quick, I'm going to scroll down and I'll show you what these three products are. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I was having a little trouble here. But so it offers the starter product, starter level that starts at $50, the elite level that's $150, and the pro level is $300. Now, I highly recommend you start at the pro level so that way you can get paid all the way across the board. As you see here, it says you will be able to earn on all levels, earn $50, $150, and $300 per commissions. If you start at the elite level, you'll be able to earn the 50 and the 150 commissions. If you start at the starter level, you'll only be able to earn $50 per sale. Now, real quick, so here I have a PayPal. PayPal's been acting kind of funny, so I'm going to change that out. And I'm going to start using Cash App when it comes to my direct payments. But I do use Stripe. So Stripe is also, you'll get paid 100% to you. What you're going to get inside of the product levels, you're going to get, if you start at the 50, you'll get 300 marketing ads, 100 pre-written ads, and 200 pre-written ads. A winning mindset formula, art of persuasion influence. And this is very, very big key right here. The 7-day action plan, you get it with whatever product level you start at. So that way you're not feeling stuck and don't know where to go and how to use the system. So I'll go real quick over into my back office. And here in the back office, it's going to show you how to get started and how to get everything set up. First thing you need to do is pay the $39 admin fee to unlock your training, and that's going to give you the resellers rights, and that's going to give you the branded web page. They say 24 hours for the web page, but I have seen them come back within 10, 15 hours, sometimes within the hour. So that's really cool about the system. So you'll pay your admin fee, get your website, unlock your training, and once that's done, you'll go here into the intro and you'll click on here, watch this video of Adriana Vargas. She's going to explain the Infinity processing system. She's the owner and the creator of this system. She's the one who put all her knowledge into this system, and so that way you can learn her strategies that she used to attract customers to her and make multiple six figures with attraction marketing. Now I want to go down here to the 7-day action plan because it's important to be able to know how to put things into action so that way you can make the most out of what you're doing and knowing how to do it. So this way you know what to do day by day, and if you follow the descriptions to the T, then you will see success and with this opportunity. Now, for those who've never really been into marketing and you like kind of stuck, what would I say to them? Like I wouldn't know how to say or what to say to them. So what I do love, she has a 6-figure closing strip and what to do when somebody joins your group. Inside of here, you'll watch this 13-minute video, and it's going to teach you and show you exactly what to say, how to say it, to close those customers so that way you can make the sale when it comes to marketing online, so you don't feel left out. You're not feeling bamming your head against the wall, especially if you're a newbie. Now, so I love this for new beginners. And if you're very interested, I have a link in the description down below. You can get started with the Infinity processing system. Again, how that'll work is you'll go to the link in the description below. You join one of the levels, get access to your product and your step-by-step digital training. And the training is going to show you exactly where to post these free written ads so you start attracting clients to you, to your opportunity and what you have to offer. Again, that's going to be my review, an update review. And real quick, I want to give another shout out and congratulations to Mei Lee on making her $300 commission. Just imagine if you can get 3 sales within a week, that's 1,000 and some change that you done made from the efforts of learning how to use attraction marketing. And again, congratulations to you, Mei Lee, on your $300 commission and on your next level of success. Again, if you want to get with me and get started with Affinity Processing System, the link is in the bottom of the description. That's my time. I'm gonna get with you guys later.